Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam literasi. May I introduce myself? My name is Arfa Deohlaksogoro. This is my storytelling. Oliver and Sammy. Once upon a time in a lush green forest lived a wise old owl named Oliver and playful squirrel named Sammy. Oliver, with his sharp eyes and keen hearing, was known for his knowledge and wisdom. Sammy, on the other hand, was always bouncing around, collecting nuts and getting into mischief. One sunny afternoon, Sammy was busy gathering acorns when he saw a plump, juicy worm wriggling on the ground. His eyes lit up with excitement. "Lunchtime!" he exclaimed, pouncing on the worm. Just then, Oliver flew down from a nearby branch. "Sammy, what are you doing?" he hooted, his voice deep and gravely. "I am having lunch, Mr. Owl," Sammy replied, his mouth full of worm. "Look, it's so delicious." Oliver shook his head. "Sammy, you know that worms are not good for you. They can make you sick." "But they're so tasty," Sam protested. "And I'm hungry." "There are plenty of nuts and berries in the forest," Oliver said patiently. "They are much healthier for you." Sammy sighed. "But I don't want nuts and berries. I want this worm," Oliver sighed. "Sammy, you must listen to your elders. I know you think you're strong and healthy, but you don't know what's good for you. Trust me, you'll regret eating that worm." Sammy, however, was too busy enjoying his worm to listen. He finished it off a few bites and then, feeling a little queasy, he scurried up a tree. The next day, Sammy woke up feeling terrible. His stomach ached and he felt weak and dizzy. He couldn't even climb a tree. "Mr. Owl," he cried, his voice weak, "I'm sick, I feel terrible." Oliver flew down to Sammy's tree. "I told you so," he said, his voice filled with concern. "You should have listened to me." Sammy, feeling ashamed and remorseful, nodded. "I'm sorry, Mr. Owl. I was wrong. I should have listened to you." Oliver helped Sammy back to his nest and took care of him until he was well again. From that day on, Sammy learned to listen to his elders and to choose healthy food. He never forgot the lesson he learned from the worm. "Thank you, Mr. Owl," Sammy said, his voice filled with gratitude. "I'll never eat a worm again." Oliver smiled. "That's my Sammy. Now go and eat some nuts and berries. They're much better for you." And so Sammy learned a valuable lesson about listening to his elders and making healthy choices. He lived a long and happy life, always remembering the day he learned the hard way about the dangers of eating worms. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.